Every time I come in this church, I start to feel a feeling that I never felt before. I think it's His Holy Ghost. And every time it comes around, I don't want it to leave. I don't want it to leave me alone because it feels so good. Makes me feel like I'm a new man. Makes me feel like I'm a new man. I just wanna let it all go. Just all on my past. Just let it all go. In Jesus Christ, I'm a new creation. Fire, 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 burning inside of me, in me, in me, in me. And I don't want it to go away. And I don't want it to leave me alone. Who is this in my head telling me lies, telling me that I can't do it, telling me that I won't do it? But I'm a winner even if I'm not the best, and Adonai is making a way for me. Cause He's my water that quenches my thirst. He gives me love when I am hurt, my meal when I am hungry, and nobody can do that for me, yeah. Making a way, what's my name? Emmanuel. Fire, 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 burning inside of me, in me, in me, in me.